like my seat. And I'm so upset. It doesn't tell me what it is on the horn. So weird. So, one screw right there. It is this guy. This puppy is a cover right in here. All right, so pop the cover off with a tool just like this guy. Phillips head, hello. And then I pulled right from here. I pulled and pulled and pulled. And it popped off in my hands. So, get it completely off. There you go. And then we got the door switch. There you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.